My name is Dr. Diana Nambatya, the co-founder of Integrated Health Kwagala Farm, and this is my It Can Be story. This is a walled garden of tomatoes, but also the spring onions. We started Kwagala Farm with a vision of cutting expenses in the home. And so when we started this farm, we did not even envisage the 10-year journey, changing, reframing, and even moving into technology. And so in 2010, we started with only 1,500 Uganda shillings. Not US dollars, but Uganda shillings. And we used that to buy a sacket of tomatoes, which we put in our backyard. Luckily enough, on one of the trips that my husband had gone for field work, the boss comes back and says, "These are very nice tomatoes. Is your wife selling them?" And so that is how we started selling our tomatoes from the backyard. We were lucky to get into selling to expatriates who used to buy the tomatoes at 15,000 a kilogram. We later saw that actually this small half-acre space can be able to generate for us an income. And so in 2011, we even decided to take it to the next level and bought in green pepper, biringanya, and a number of other small or short-term products that were able to grow and then be able to make a small income. Previously, Kwagala Farm was my business and my husband. So literally it was me. But I think when we started accessing the credit facility from Stanbic, we had to put our house in order. My relationship manager really took me on a journey. We together made a plan on how do we ensure that Kwagala Farms becomes a legitimate, but at the same time, a professional organization. We've grown to over 100 customers, and we're now embracing technology. We're doing e-learning. We're doing a lot of social media. And so we've skilled over 1,000 women. And it's more than ever possible for women to not only lead, but to also grow organizations.